Hello friends, welcome to Handicrafts by Pahari Zones, and in this video we'll be unpacking this beautiful Naga gown over here, which is made out of pure Naga wool. As you can see, this is the material that is being used for making this gown. So in a while we'll do the unpacking and we will show you the entire gown, how it looks and how it touches and feels. Alright, so keep watching this video till the end. अंत तक देखते रहिए ताकि आपको exactly समझ में आए कि ये प्रोडक्ट कैसे, इसका मटेरियल कैसा है और ये कैसे टच एंड फील होता है. ठीक है, सो देखते रहिए Handicrafts by Pahari Zones. Now this is the gown over here. It's also known as the house coat. Alright, so we'll just open this and see how it looks. ठीक है, तो खोल के देखते हैं कैसा दिखता है ये. Let's open this over here. And this is exactly how this gown is. If you want to look at the picture, you can go to handicrafts.paharizones.com and you can see the picture by a person wearing it, actually. And this is how the material is. Alright, you have pockets over here. This is one of the pockets. Alright, this is one of the pockets. It's pretty big, this much. And also there's another pocket over here. Alright, now just for the designer purpose, at the exterior, at the tip of the pocket, you have this velvet kind of a lining. Okay, and in the center there is this robe, this wire kind of a tail which will help you to tie it up. Okay, there are no buttons, there are no chains. Okay, so this is how you tie it up. Usually house coats and gowns are always like this. You just wear it and wrap it around. This provides you very good protection during winters and it's very easy to wear it and remove it. Alright, so we'll see how much the length is. The ultimate question, that is the ultimate question of course, how much the length is. Okay, so we'll take a measurement tape and we'll try to measure how much the length of this gown is, right from the collar over here to the tip over here. And we'll also measure the shoulders, this shoulder over here, from here to here. Alright, so let me get a measurement tape and find it out. Okay, so for the last time, let's see the material. Now this is actually the material of which this gown is made of. It is pure Naga wool. It's not very soft, but it's not also hard. Alright, so it's a medium. It's thick. The thickness, as you can see, this is the thickness. It has double layers. No, sorry, it's a single layer. So this is the thickness. It's very nice and will give you good protection during winters. And here there's a double-edged stitching which gives the protection at the edges. And at the edges also this, this white kind of a embroidery. Alright, so this is all about the Naga gown. The collars again have the black linings as usual. Okay, and also the cuffs. This is the cuffs. It also has a black lining for decoration and also for good looks. तो ये हो गया आपका नागा गाउन. तो ये हो गया आपका नागा गाउन. ओके, ब्लैक एंड वाइट एम्ब्रॉयडरी यहाँ पे होता है. सेंटर में वाइट है, वाइट, रेड एंड ब्लैक. ये कॉम्बिनेशन पे ये गाउन बना है. ओके, these are the three dominant colors: black, white and red. Okay, and we have the velvet lining, black velvet lining at the exterior of the pocket, at the tip of the pocket, and also at the cuffs here and at the shoulders. Sorry, the collars. Okay, so this is how this material is made up of. All right, and let's see the measurement. Let me take a measurement tape and measure it out. Okay, so I have the measurement tape over here. So we'll measure it out right from the shoulder, the tip of the shoulder to the tip of the bottom. Okay, so I think you can see, yes, this is the top part of the measurement tape. It starts from here, the edge of the shoulder, as you can see, and we measure this out. Let me stretch this. And take it to the tip over here. Now we stretch it out. So it comes to approximately 45 inches, as you can see. Okay, so approximately 45 inches. You can take 1 or 2 inches here and there for the purpose of calculation. So approximately it comes to 45 inches in length. Okay, तो ये 45 inches length में आता है. Okay, और अब हम shoulder measure करेंगे. We'll measure the shoulders. Let's see how much it comes. It comes to around, okay, we'll measure it from this part, the collar के end से हम measure करेंगे. We'll measure it from the end of the collar. Okay, so if you measure it from the end of the collar, it comes to around 6 inches. Okay, and if you measure with the collar, then it comes to around 9 inches. Okay, so with the collar it comes to 9 inches, and without the collar it comes to 5 inches. Sorry, 6 inches. It comes to 6 inches without the collar. Alright, so this is about it. There's no requirement to measure the waist because the waist is always adjustable, because we have the linings, the thread over here, which helps you to tie it up, and any size, any waist can be covered with this. Okay, so there is no point discussing that. There are no zips in the center, and there are no buttons also. Okay, there is one more measurement left, which is of the arms. Usually arms can be adjustable because you can fold it at the tip, alright, and wear it. So let's see the measurement of the arm. Okay, just for the sake of doing it. So the arm starts from here, and it ends here. Okay, so it's around 22 inches if you stretch it. 22, yes, 22 to 23 inches. Alright, so 1 or 2 inches you can also fold it if it's not adjusting, because arms are always for that purpose, for folding it, and you can hide this black linings if you're folding it out. Alright, so this is about it. Okay, I hope this gives you a fair clarity about the query that you have regarding this Naga gown. Alright, so if you have any queries, you can also write in the comment box below. You can also contact us through handicrafts.paharizones.com. There are various ways where you can contact us. Prices and all, of course, it will be listed in handicrafts.paharizones.com, so we'll not discuss this in this video. Alright, if you like the video, hit the like button and do subscribe to the channel so that you get notified whenever there's a new video coming out. Alright, so thank you for watching. This is Pradeep signing off. Have a great day.